In the Minecraft world, we have X, Y, Z coordination. And X is east and west, and Y is the height, and Z is the north and south. And you need to be careful the value of Z when it's a minus, it's north. So today I'm going to talk about stronghold, how to find stronghold. And stronghold is generated in the certain area. It's only generated within the blue marked spot here. So each square is represent 1,000 blocks, and there are 8 rings in each world, and there are 128 strongholds generated in total inside these blue marked area. So, okay, and each ring has the specific number. So the first ring has 3 strongholds inside of it, and the second one has 6, and third one 10, and so on. And in total, there are 128 strongholds. And this blue marked area, this ring has the width of 1,536 block, and each ring is distant from each other the same length. So the outermost ring is the 8th ring is 23,000 away from the center of the world. The coordination on X and Z equals 0. And stronghold is generated in with the regular interval, so they are distant from each other with the same length. So I marked the strongholds distribution like this. In the first ring, there are 3 strongholds inside of it, so it will be like this. Stronghold. This might not be here. This could be here or here, but in any case, they are arranged in this pattern. Each one has the 120 degrees from each other. And the in the second ring, there are 6 strongholds, so the circle has 360 degrees. So divided by 6, 6 degrees, apart from each other. And the third ring, there are 10, so 36 degree. If you measure from the center. Fourth ring has 15, and fifth ring 21, and in the sixth ring 28, the seventh ring 36. So if you go from the farther from the center, you have more stronghold in the ring. But the 8th ring, there are only 9 strongholds inside of it. So there are 128 strongholds in the world, and today I'm going to try to find the strongholds in outermost region, the strongholds in the 8th ring. And as these strongholds has evenly placed in the ring, if I find one stronghold in the 8th ring, I can calculate or estimate where the other strongholds will be. If I find the the one stronghold here, because there are 9 stronghold in the 360 degrees. So 360 divided by 9 would be 40. So there are 40 degrees apart from each other. So I can calculate and estimate where to find the other stronghold. So I'm going to do that. I used Elytra and 3 duration firework rocket to travel this huge distance, this enormous distance. The end of the 7th ring, it was about 19,000 blocks, and here the end of the 8th ring, it will be 23,000 blocks. And it took me a really long time. And I found a certain problem here, because here is the 968 block from the center. I travel to eastward, and here 21,500. And 23,400 and 24,576. So each one has the 1,536. And this is these things do not shows very precisely because I draw it myself, but each blue square has the 1,000 block. Yeah. And imagine if you're here to find, you're here to throw Ender Eye to find the stronghold in the 8th ring. 8th ring has the problem is the 7th ring has the very dense, density of the stronghold. There are 36 stronghold in the circle, so every 10 degrees there are stronghold, and compared to the very small number in the 8th ring. So if you throw Ender Eye here, Ender Eye indicates the 7th. It might fly to the stronghold in the 7th ring, not the 8th ring. So when you go farther from the center, like here, more likely the Ender Eye indicate the stronghold in the 8th ring. So this keep in mind, and I try it. Okay, now I found one stronghold. I throw Ender Eye from the beginning of the 8th ring, so it's a 23,000 block away from the center, and it appeared it is in the 7th ring. So I'm in the 7th ring stronghold. Okay, I'll show you here. See the stronghold. So now I'm going to go more eastward until I get in the 8th ring, and I go to the eastern edge of the 8th ring and try to throw Ender Eye to find stronghold in the 8th ring. If Ender Eye fly to the different direction as I throw at the beginning of the eighth ring, that means it indicates the stronghold in the eighth ring. If I can't find in that way, I switch to plan B, because it is difficult to find the stronghold in eighth ring. I try to find the 36 strongholds in the seventh ring. Okay, let's try. Now I'm going to make it the Z coordinates to 0, just make it easy to see. You can see the X coordination is now 21,180, and that is the end of the seventh ring. And I'm going to travel the 1536 block to the eastward. Then I enter the beginning of the eighth ring area, which is 23,040 blocks. I'm using laptop, so when I lower the FPS, it is I always try to reduce the stress on my laptop, because I fly so fast, and the CPU heats up. So when you actually travel that kind of distance, 1,500, it takes a long time. Now I'm traveling between 7th ring to the 8th ring, and I'm reached this 8th ring area within the 300 blocks left now. And I found a village around at the beginning of this 8th ring, so I set up my base camp. So now X is 23,000. Now we are in the 8th ring. I've threw Ender Eye from here, and that indicated that shows the way to the stronghold I've just showed. Nice. Okay, so let's find Ender Eye. Yeah, 3 would be enough. And see which way Ender Eye fly to. So when I throw at the beginning of 8th ring as 23,000 blocks, as I said in the presentation, it might attract it to the 7th ring, like this. So I need to find by going more eastward and throw away the Ender Eye, and when Ender Eye go to the different direction than that, it means and I can find the stronghold in the outermost ring. The end of outer 8th ring is 24,576 block. So I'm going toward there. So 500 blocks left. So now watching a video on YouTube, some player are doing something like find all 128 stronghold and activate every end portal in single area. It's very difficult without using the location command. So here I'm about at the end of 8th ring, so throw away, try to use end eye. Let's see which way you go. I'm checking the direction. So which way? So that X increases now is the eastward, and 0 increases is decreases in the minus value is the north. So I'm heading west. I'm heading east. So I travel to this direction. I've been flying to this direction, and it went that way. So it's a definitely different angle from the last time I throw in the village. So by following that ender eye, I can go to the stronghold in the 8th ring, and I try it in the next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.